Well, we're here live with Lightning Larry the Lotus. He has recently came out of his shell. Was birthed with nearly no visible wings, and now, after the short span of nearly a half an hour, Larry has virtually transformed and is nearly ready for flight. Yes, Larry will be flying high amongst his brothers and sisters of the Midwest land, looking for crops to ravage. 'Cause Larry's from where the John Deere run, picking all day out in the sun, where the Mississippi River runs east to west. The prairie state of Illinois, that's the place that Larry loves the best.